On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram confirmation code. Hello guys, so to fix this problem is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps, go to apps again. Now right here, search for Instagram between all those apps. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just go to the notifications management, scroll down and make sure that all those notifications are enabled, especially this one that it's called support requests. Make sure that it's enabled, and after that go back, click on this force stop option, go to the storage, click on clear data and go back. Click now on the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert like this, and then enable it after a few seconds like this. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.